Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Time Doctor effectively. So, first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Time Doctor. Okay, so we have this first website, so all you have to do is to tap on this one. Okay, so after that we have this options at the top. So we have the login, get the demo, or try it for free. So what you're going to do here is to just try the 14-day free trial for this tool. Okay, so first and foremost, Time Doctor is a time tracking and productivity monitoring tool used by remote teams, freelancers, and virtual assistants. It helps track how much time you spend on specific tasks and projects, shows work activity, and generate reports that employers or client can review. So, using the Time Doctor website, you can manually start and stop timers, organize tasks, and monitor productivity all directly from your browser. So, after you create your account or sign up for an account, so you'll be redirected to your dashboard. So the data that you can find here are just sample data. So for example, this is your overview. So you'd be able to see here your total time tracked, the meeting time, the manual time, the mobile time, and the unproductive websites and app usage. So the number of active users, you can find that right here. And then if you would like to add more widgets to your dashboard, so just tap on this one. Okay, and then you just have to include or exclude the widgets that you want to see and you don't want to see here. Okay, so here you'd be able to see your top projects. So we have this pie chart. Okay, so here you'd be able to see because the color is indicated. That's right. And then here for the top users, so you'd be able to see here the highest percent time in productive websites and applications. And then for the tracked most hours, so we have that right here as well. Okay, so for the websites and applications, so we also have these options. Okay, so right here at the top, so we have our reports, screencast, edit time, settings, payroll, invite, and download. So here you'd be able to see your the date of your data. So for example, today or yesterday, and then for the past 7 days, and for the past 30 days. Okay, so for example, you would like to add new users, so you have to just tap on this one. Okay, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then here we have three different options. So we have invite by email, invite by sending a link, and add by CSV. So for example, you would like to invite by email, so you just have to type or paste here the email addresses. And then for the access level, so we have here regular, manager, admin, and client. So if you were to use the invite by sending a link, so all you have to do is to copy this one. So anyone signing up via this link will automatically join the account as regular users with the ability to track their own time. So users clicking the link will access a sign up screen unique to your account and be required to create their account. And then user will be guided to the download and installation of the Time Doctor desktop app to start tracking the time. And then users must start tracking time by opening the desktop app and starting tracking time. And once the desktop app is installed, users can also add a Chrome or Firefox extension to track time in Jira, Asana, and multiple other apps. So you can also copy this instruction if you want to. You can also add by CSV. So adding users by CSV will not send them invitation emails. After adding users by CSV, you'll need to this one, download the BAT or the MSI file from the bottom of the download page and install it on employee computers. And you can also provide your employees login credentials to them. And if an employer already has a Time Doctor account with the same email, they should log in with their old password. Okay, so let's close this section and let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, so right here, As you can see, we have the report section. So when you go here to the reports, we have here office versus remote, benchmarks AI, meeting insights, activity summary. So you just have to select your category. For example, you would like to see the reports for attendance. So you just simply tap on this one. Okay, so you'd be able to see here now your users, the status, the shift start time, the actual start time, shift length, expected hours, actual hours to track. So if you are an employer or you're an employee, I really think that this tool is very effective because it has a very detailed, interface and very accessible. So all you need to do is to click, 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 and you'll be able to see all of the informations that you need. So of course, you have to monitor the activity from the website. So again, you just have to go to the report. And for the screencast, so if you have any screencast ready, so you'll be able to see that right here. And for edit time, so you also have here the details. So we have the color indicator, so you'll be able to locate them directly. And then fire settings, so you'll be able to see here billing or your the level of your plan. And yeah, for users, groups, email notifications, so you'd be able to see that one right here as well. And of course, for the payroll, okay, so here on the payroll section, all you have to do is to export, or you can create a new payroll right here. So for example, you would like to manage the payroll methods. So we have the CSV export methods right here. So we have for Payoneer, PayPal, Wise, Gusto, or the ADP. And then if you would like to use the direct, we have the deal right here. So you just have to take note that once this option is enabled, select the deal as a payment method for each user in the main table. Okay, so here on the invite, so again, this section, you'd be able to invite the new users or employers. Okay, and here for the download section, so to install the application for Windows, all you have to do is to tap on this one. So if you are using the Mac OS X, so you just have to go here and then download this file. Okay, so we have this for Ubuntu and Chrome OS. Okay, so you can also get it on App Store or get it in Google Play if you want to. Okay, so your notifications, you'll be able to see that right here. Okay, so let me just show you again the different plans for this tool. Okay, so if you are planning to use this one, as you can see, we have here the monthly. So for basic, we have $8. Standard, we have 14. Premium, we have 20. And for enterprise, you just have to contact the sales about your business. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.